Can I ask you something? Are you wasting my time? You're 20-something and I'm out of my mind. I'm feeling seasick every time that you leave. I hope you notice that these drugs ain't for free. Still I run hills for you. You feel me? Nothing means something with you. Really?
To be honest, I got better things to do. To be honest, I don't care that we're over. Been fine since you told me you don't love me anymore. To be honest, I like sleeping alone. Yeah, I'm totally okay on my own. I don't even need your arms around me. I don't need you to tell me it's gonna be alright, my love. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't think about her. Your new girlfriend, now she's your whole world. I don't mind you posting pictures. I could watch those photos 10 times. I swear I feel nothing at all. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million, and that means I'll find a better you someday. To be honest, I don't miss you. feel so down and out, your love comes to raise me from all doubt. Yeah, lift up our very heads, comfort us suffering. That's what you do. You're the soul